Hi friends, welcome to this Italic handwriting class. In the last video, you have learned strokes and curls, alphabetic formation and everything. Today, I am going to show you capital and small letters writing. Friends, you may wonder why I am showing a small letters and capital letters for you. I know that you know these letters, but the thing I want to show you is that where these capital letters and small letters are going to place in these lines. All small letters, see here. Do you remember these lines? Name of these lines? The first line is ascending line. The second line is middle line. And the third line is base line. And the last one is descending line. Yes. Line to base line. A, B, C, D. Only middle line and base line we are making use of writing this alphabet. F. This is only alphabet where we touches all the four lines. G. Bit. Italic means bit slant only you have to write. I. J. K. L. Only one line like this you should write. M. The middle line should touch the base line. Be careful while writing M and W. Now N. O. P. Q. R. Both should be equal. Yes. T. See here. I'm starting from middle of the ascending and middle line. Now it is base line till T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Now I have written all small alphabet in the middle and base line. All the small letters are placed. That is very important. All the small letters have touched to the base line. Look friends. Now I am going to show you where the capital letters should be written. See here. Only these three lines are used to write a capital letters. For example, the descending line is not made use of to write a capital letters. Only these lines. A, B, both should be equal. C, D, E. These three lines should be equal. G should write like this. We have to touch to the middle line and again we have to make till base line. H. I. J. K. N. You can observe it. I am not touching to these capital letters to the descending line. N. P. Q. Q should write like this, and you have to draw one line from middle line to base line. R. Yes. T. X. Y. Z. Yes. See, all the capital letters are touched to the only three lines, that is ascending, middle and base line, not to the descending line. Friends, it is very important to know which line you should touch the letters. Friends, now I am going to show you the difference between capital letters and small letters. See here, small letters should place, as I said you, from in between middle line to base line. Capital letter only the above three lines. I am showing now comparison between small letters and capital letters. You people should know the difference between capital and small. Here you can find a difference that small letter is written between middle line and base line, and the capital letter is touched to these three lines. This is a difference, and I am going to show you the other letters too. B here. C. D. I am writing small letter as I showed you in the alphabet formation. E. E is different. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. I hope you are knowing, you are understanding this. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. Stop. And everything capital only this way. V. W. X. Y. Z. Friends, I hope you came to know the difference between capital and small. First, I have written small letters. I showed you where they are going to place between these four lines, and later I showed you the capital letters, and these letters only I showed you in comparison. I hope you all learnt in these two videos the strokes and curves, small letters and capital letters, and these two videos are the background to the next video, that is joining. Don't miss that class. Please practice this one and it helps you to understand the joining letters. Thank you.